Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Hi guys, today we are still in Kisamos and we've decided that we want to watch the sunset at Falassarna Beach. I've just finished working. It's 4:30 p.m. The sunset is in around 4 hours, so we have time to go to a restaurant close to us and to eat something, and then we'll go home, get some I don't know, 2 book blankets, and then go to Falassarna Beach. We won't go in the sea because it is very cold at Falassarna, but we will stay and just read the book, drink something, and go and see the sunset. We'll take lots of photos and videos, and I think it will be awesome. Okay, so we are ready to go to Falassarna Beach. We've just eaten and it was so good. I had moussaka and Mike had tortilla. I love this so much, and I'm having very high expectations for this evening's sunset. So I will show you around the pictures and videos I've taken when I will arrive there. So we are driving to Falassarna and we've just stopped randomly because the view is so beautiful. We are at around 200 meters above sea level, and the view is just breathtaking, and I didn't really remember the view being so beautiful to Falassarna.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil,
Okay, so I think we'll go home right now. I wanted to stay a little bit longer because usually after a sunset the sky looks very nice for around 20 minutes, but just look behind me and these clouds don't seem friendly at all. So I'm scared we will catch a big rain, even if it almost never rains in this part of Crete in the summer, but just look around. Yeah, I think it's better not to risk anything. Also, sorry for my very messy hair. I can't control it. I'm trying, but it's useless. So just take a look around me. It's very beautiful. there are absolutely no people around, so everything is so empty, and I love it. I love the sunset, I love today, and sorry that I wasn't able to make more videos from today's sunset. I wanted to do the time lapse and it was just amazing. Okay, another video from today because I am a little bit confused. Mike just told me that he saw some pink sand, and he asked me which is the beach with pink sand. And I said Elafonisi because I know that Elafonisi is the only beach in Crete that has pink sand. But he just showed me the place where he saw pink sand, and I will show you in a minute. And I'm very confused. Can you please let me know if Falassarna also has pink sand, or yeah, I'm waiting for your answers in the comments if you know about this. And here is pink sand. It's just a little bit. It's not the entire sand, but just fractions of it. So here you can see it's pink. Indeed, there are just fractions, but you can see around there too, it's pink. So yeah, I'm not sure what to believe. I don't know. Okay, so another video from today. I parked a little bit too close to the beach in the sand, and when going backward, I almost got stuck, but happily the car went just fine backward. But then just when I was about to reach this street, let's say, I went to the right instead of going in the street, and I got stuck in the sand, and Mike had to push from behind because I made a mess here, and we removed a little bit of the sand in front of the wheel, and we were able to move the car. But I will show you right now where we got stuck, and I hope I won't make the same mistake again because it was pretty stupid of me. So this is where I got stuck. It seems a little bit small on the camera, but trust me, it's big. And also we removed a little bit from the sand, so it was even bigger. So here is the road, and there I got stuck. But we are fine now, and we are just good to go. Yeah.